Apps on your iPad are frequently crashing due to many reasons. I am Carly, and I will help you to fix the problem very quickly. Let's watch and follow the all solutions. Before starting, ensure the internet is working. Open the browser and check the internet is working by searching on the browser. Most of the apps use an internet connection. That can cause the issue. The first basic solution is to restart the app. Close the app from the app switcher window and reopen it. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. And for home button iPad, double-click the home button or swipe up on the problematic app to close it, then try opening it again. Hope this works. Still crashing, then follow the next solution. The second solution is to update your app. Check the App Store for any available updates for the app. Launch the App Store on your iPad. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down all the pending app updates. Developers often release updates to fix bugs that may cause crashes. Otherwise, go back and search the app name like Instagram. Tap on Update to start the updating process. Once you update the app, force close all the apps from the app switcher screen. Now, launch the app and check whether the issue is fixed or not. The third basic and easy solution is to restart your iPad. We can do it in 4 different ways, but here's using buttons. Press and release the volume up button and power button at the same time until you see the power option appear on the screen. Swipe your finger, and your iPad screen will go off. Turn it on again by pressing and holding the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This will take time. Just wait for a few seconds and check the issue is fixed. Now, the fourth solution is to check for software update on your iPad. Launch the Settings app on your iPad and tap on General. Now, select Software Update and wait for a few seconds to see any pending updates. Download and install if available. Now, the fifth solution is to reinstall app. This method would erase offline data if you download it from the app, but you should do that to clear the old cache that causes the problem of the app crashing. Touch and hold on the app icon on your iPad home screen. Tap on Remove App. On the next step, select Delete App option. If the option is not showing, then check the video to remove the restriction if enabled. Again, tap on the Delete option, but documents and data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. That's the most helpful way to fix this issue. To reinstall, launch the App Store and search Delete the app from the search bar. Tap on the cloud icon to re-download the app on your iPad and start using once the download is complete. Now, another serious problem is no free space. There is not enough space to download and run the app on your iPad, given in the sixth solution. First, check the free space and then clear some data to make free space. Launch the Settings app on your iPad and tap on the General and About options. Now, scroll and see available space. You can see the available space in GBs or MBs here. If there is not enough space, then go back and tap on iPad storage. Use the different ways, like empty recently deleted albums, review Photos app, or delete unused apps from this screen. Once you delete the data, it will take a few seconds to see the free space. Then try again. Now, the seventh solution is to reset all settings. If none of the above solutions work, you might consider resetting all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings such as Wi-Fi, passwords, and wallpaper. You can do this by going to Settings. Tap on General. Now scroll to Transfer or Reset iPad. Again, tap on Reset and reset all settings. Enter your iPad passcode. Wait for few seconds until your iPad reboot once. If, after trying these steps, your app still crashes, it might be helpful to contact the app developer or Apple support for further assistance. Find a way to contact the app developer, launch the App Store, ensure that the app is installed on your iPad. Search app that's crashing on iPad. Scroll the screen and see the option for Report a Problem. Otherwise, you can submit the review. I hope you fixed the issue and like this video. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Comment for more help.